Hey everyone, welcome back to another recap podcast from SNXweave, where we give quick weekly recaps of news and important updates from the previous week from the Spartan Council and core contributors. Let's get started. Starting out with the liquidity provider update, additional LP incentives are live and currently paying about 80% in SNX and stablecoins. These incentives will run for 4 weeks before being reassessed. With SCCP 373 implemented, fee share to LPs has also been increased from 40% to 60% of the fees generated on V3, which is more in line with what the market is offering to LPs in terms of fee share. The Synthetics Treasury also intends to channel some integrator fees to add to V3 LPs revenue. Head to liquidity.synthetics.io to provide liquidity and claim your rewards. And for a quick staker update, while there is nothing yet for L2 stakers to do on Optimism, SNX stakers on L1 can migrate to V3 to mint at a 500% C ratio. And stay tuned for a tokenomics announcement expected to be published for stakers by the end of the year. Next, the TLX acquisition passed through governance just over a week ago, and the core contributors are currently getting a better feel for the codebase as they clean things up in preparation for a base deployment. There are also plans for a V2 leverage token launch in early 2025. Both of these launches, on Base and Optimism, will be accompanied by some initial incentive programs as well. The Quenta acquisition contract work is also complete, so head over to the Synthetics Exchange, formerly Quenta, and trade new markets like the Sol ETH pair perp, now available on Base and Arbitrum. Whether you're an ETH Maxi or Sol Degen, you can now trade these markets against each other with leverage. And in exciting news, Synthetics perps are now mobile thanks to Mass, the protocol's newest integrator. Mass is the all-in-one DeFi app for iOS and Android, designed to simplify decentralized trading and asset management. This partnership makes Synthetics Perps v3 more accessible than ever, giving users on and off-ramping between fiat and crypto, spot and perps trading opportunities up to 25x leverage, gasless transactions, and full self-custody. You can now trade over 90 perps markets with up to 25x leverage and deep liquidity, all from the Mass app, seamlessly on your iOS or Android device. Setup is simple. First, create an account using your Google or Apple ID, or opt for advanced options like embedded or third-party wallets. Next, fund your wallet by loading assets on any supported network, or use the top-up feature for credit, debit, or bank transfer options. For the fastest access to Synthetics perps, deposit USDC on Base. And then you can start trading. Dive into spot trading across 9 dexes or explore leverage opportunities with Synthetics perps. Trade on Mass before December 20th, and you could be one of 200 users randomly selected to win 25 OP tokens. And be on the lookout for a trading competition coming in January with 25,000 SNX and 25,000 OP in prizes. If you want to learn more about the Mass Synthetics partnership, including upcoming rewards and incentives, check out the article that Synthetics published, which is linked in our blog. And that's it for today's updates. Be sure to check out our weekly recap blog post, share this podcast link, and let us know what you think and what you'd like to hear more about from SNXweave. Thanks for listening.